Horrific assault caught on camera in Maharashtra. Shopkeeper assaulted because he didn't speak in Marathi. What is happening now in the state of Maharashtra? It's a reminder of what unfolded years ago. These were MNS goons in Maharashtra. The ones who believe that they can do moral policing even on Marathi language. This shocking assault, take a look closely on your screens and we'll dip into that video. On camera, multiple blows on an elderly shopkeeper. No action, no arrest by the Thane police. Let's go across and let's play out this video.
महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी भाषा बोली जाती है? महाराष्ट्र में कौन सी भाषा बोली जाती है?
This is so disturbing. Remember, basically what these men from MNS are asking, in Maharashtra, which language is spoken? Which language is spoken? He seems to utter a certain word which is not clear, and then the man in the purple shirt starts to come and slap. Others follow. He's a man starting alone. Someone happily recording the video. This is in public view. This is right outside the shopkeeper. Raj Thackeray's party, where the workers are thrashing the shopkeepers for refusing to speak the Marathi language. Who has given them the right to go and indulge in this moral policing? What led to a confrontation of this nature? MNS workers were celebrating the Mahayuti government's decision to cancel the order, remember, over the issue of the 3-language policy in schools. But this is intimidation. And a place like Maharashtra, Thane, close to Mumbai, these are cities extremely cosmopolitan. Clearly, there are people who may not be able to speak in the local language. But whether it's Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, why are we witnessing increasingly these kind of incidents? Some people only there to earn their livelihood and are being not being asked to speak a language. They are being slapped, assaulted. What kind of impact or an example does this set? Why have the police not caught these men yet?
महाराष्ट्र में